Come with me to my absolute favorite street in Hong Kong. It is lined with kitchen shops, one after the other, all full of kitchen stuff. I've seen here professional chefs buying cleavers and the regular housewives looking for something for the family kitchen. This is like a huge toy shop, and probably for other foodies too. If you are looking for something particular, for sure you'll find it here and more.
These are to keep your chopsticks.
I can get totally lost in a place like this and forget what I actually came in to buy. First on my list is a proper family wok. I'm just going crazy with all this kitchen candy. It's just a sight to be seen. And here's the steamers. I need to get a steamer too because mine keeps leaking too much steam. And this looks like serious business. You can see that the rim has a kind of a lip, so it really is like a vault, and no steam's going to escape at all, which means that it will cook even faster and better. And I even found special papers for dim sum, so your dumplings won't stick to your steamer. Brilliant! Still on my quest for a wok. These are very handy, slotted ladles. And here we have entered wok heaven. So many woks here of all different sizes.
The two handles is harder to hold. Thinking of maybe a handle like this. Frying pans. Oh, look at these beautiful stainless steel. These are already lined. Ah, this is good. Ah, this is heavy. It's crazy heavy. Yeah, woks. Why so? These are heavy. See if you get a choice with either a long handle and a short one just to grab a bit. They're so heavy already. This doesn't have a little grip. The grip will be very handy. See the prices? 135 Hong Kong dollars. This is heavy.
I think a wok is one of those very personal items that takes time and care in choosing. I know my dad who used 3 woks in the restaurant. I can't even hold these, and he would just flip them around, and amazing. You see the pair of golden kitchen scissors in front? Well, I bought over a dozen pairs. They are going to be the perfect gifts for close friends. There's a dragon and a phoenix on each handle. In Chinese folklore, the dragon represents power and the phoenix represents peace. Together, they symbolize harmony, balance, and good fortune in the kitchen, household, and family.
Bakery shop. It's the standard stuff, but I got my slotted spoons. Oh. This sort of stuff is here. Oh, these are old-fashioned fish scales. Do shashuka dishes here.
If you're like me, I'm a sucker for anything wooden, and especially wooden spoons. There's never a situation where you don't need a wooden spoon to serve something or to stir something. And these are proper dumpling rollers. They're a must when you are making dumplings.
Beautiful.
Rolling out wonton wrappers for pot stickers or for wonton soup. You really feel the difference when you're using the actual right equipment. Here we're in another shop. This is actually a Japanese shop, very famous in Hong Kong also. And actually, I made this trip especially to see this. I was curious about what a Japanese shop in Hong Kong would look like. And it seems to be pretty much the same, just the prices are a little higher. And they have a few special things. They have a vintage red stool here and some pretty vintage flasks. And they have the old-fashioned Chinese cups. But I did notice that the prices are a little bit pricier here. I get the feeling this is more prettier and for collectors and possibly for tourists as well, given the offering more traditional, expected Chinaware. Nevertheless, it is a very, very pretty shop with very beautiful items. Back out on the street, and I found this lovely granny bamboo shop full of wicker items and this wonderfully green bamboo steamer. It's surprisingly strong, much thicker and sturdier than your regular bamboo steamer. Probably not quite as enduring and long lasting as a metal, but certainly very, very strong and sturdy. Two-tier steamer. There she goes. Go, go, go. This is the first time I used my brand new steamer. So happy with it. It was like a vault, locking in all the hot steam and cooking the meat till it was super tender and soft in a fraction of the time that my old steamer would have. Dinner today are these garlicky buds, baby bok choy, and these geylang cabbages. Some of these oyster mushrooms. I might put some cloud ears. I'm a firm believer that cooking is a life skill and every meal is an opportunity to heal. If you like simple, nourishing food, practical kitchen wisdom, and a gentle encouragement along the way, feel free to join the Too Tired to Cook community. Hit the subscribe button and come along for new adventures in the kitchen and everywhere else. Happy cooking!